Right, she's all finished, and I made a little pouch for her to go in. Just like a shabby one, or shaggy, or raggedy. Raggedy, really. I did put a few of these embellishments on because I think it lends itself with Christmas with a bit of sparkle and stuff. So yeah, left it all sort of raggedy, and another one on the back there, one in that corner there, and that's a really nice shell button, that is. It's beautiful on the back as well, so that's a real shell button. Yeah, that's all stitching. I've done it on like I normally do. I think I got a tutorial on the pouch that I've done, so I do it all in strips and then lay it on the fabric. So that's how it's turned out. Okay. I thought it was something nice for it to go in. And here is the front. Yeah, I like to do these videos, and then sometimes I'm going to start attaching them to the actual kit. Yeah. Oh, and then I'll fluff that up again because I'm squished in there. There we go. Yeah, add them to the kits on Etsy, to show people, well, this is what I've made, So, oh, got a bit of thread here somewhere. Let's get that off. Okay, this is like the sari silk closure. There we are. Not closure, yeah, sari silk, but it's the cotton that goes inside the saris. It's beautiful stuff. So that's just held down, just tied around rather, not held down at all. And I've left all the threads and stuff. There we go. Got a little dangle. These were made last year, so they were made with normal resin. Like I say, I use the UV now. And that's the front. And inside cover there. And there. And a little pocket. And just done, I don't think you saw that, but done a little embellishment there, that's all. Right. And then a tag there, all the tags are backed. Let's say most of this was seen, so I'll just do a quick flick through because there's a whole playlist on this one. Or not playlist on just this, just in my Christmas playlist, which I'll link below. These are a bit of extra writing on those. The other ones may be the same, I can't remember. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. And then there's another writing piece there behind in this pocket. And then there's some little bits of paper there to jot down some notes for Christmas. And here, both of these, I won't get the other one out, but they've got little bits of paper in to put little notes down. I think it'll be an interesting sort of journal, because it's not a journal as such, but an interesting place to put a few notes down to record that year without having to think, oh my God, I've got a whole journal to fill up. I think that's the way I would feel. If I got a blank journal, I'd be like, oh, where do I start, There's that one there. And we've got a tag in that pocket, and then underneath there are some more papers to write down your notes. And then a plainish tag in these pockets. Okay. And we've got little journaling spots there. Both are the same. And then another tag here. Journaling spots there. Okay, and another tag. Oh, you took that out first, didn't I? And that's where it was stitched in there. Belly band there. There's a little tag. bit of writing space. Yeah, and that's the other card with some note pieces in, note paper, another piece of note paper there, and then inside there is some more pages. That's the other side of that envelope there, and quite a bit of journaling space there. And then tag. Saw me do most, I would say 98% of this. Saw me do, so. And then nice large tag from the kit in there, and then one of the smaller tags in there, and then an envelope where I put a piece of paper in with some lines on. You can also jot down a few bits and pieces. And then that's it, and then that's the back. Okay, like I say, it fits beautifully in the pouch. I enjoyed making that, it was nice. So yeah, that's the pouch and that. I think I will put this for sale on my Ko-fi site, because I don't tend to use Christmas journals, so if I put it for sale now and not keep it, then somebody might like it for Christmas, because December I don't do any post, not sending anything out in December, because there's no point, it'll take weeks and it's not good. Well, first week I suppose is okay, but after that you can forget it, you won't get it, so for ages. Okay, thank you very much for watching then, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.